Alright, I would suggest you to sell your camera because of you can create photography in AI, and that will be that will be the 100% of real photography. You don't believe that? So let's jump into the tutorial and then you will believe that. I'm using here the midjourney AI and I'll show you all the tricks and prompts over there, and I'll show you how to make this one, and after making that you will decide that you will sell your camera. So let's start the tutorial. If you're new in my channel, please do subscribe and hit the bell icon for the new notifications. At first, going to the Discord, and in these options we have to write prompt. Here already I made this one. I just written over there the beautiful girl with a tattoo on the body and style raw. This is important because of what types of photo you want from here. If you want a raw type photo, it will provide you the raw type photo. You have to mention double hyphen and style raw. You have to write this out because of that is important, and that is the parameter of making raw type image. But in this photo I didn't mention the style raw. They are giving something like retouched photo, and I given here intentionally Unity engine, that is the another render engine, you know that. And here already I mentioned that the fashion photography for magazine, happy, that means the happy mood. Then Americano, golden hour, that's why it gave me like a golden hour tone. And the white shoot, you can just provide here the close shoot, it's totally your choice. And the 100mm projection mapping, and the azure color, and minimal metro, Miami metro, that means in a Miami beach, that are providing us that things. The hard lighting, you can use the soft lighting, it's totally up to you. Which type of light you want, you have to mention over there. And ultra realistic, highly detailed, and like natural lighting, ocean environment. So you can use here the urban environment and whatever or wherever you want over there. And Unity engine 8K. So I'm copying this one and I'll reduce and modify some of this prompt. Copying this one, selecting or just going over there, giving the slash, and then pasting over there. Fashion photography for magazine, happy, Americano, I'm just relating this one. And golden hour, white shoot, I'm providing here close shoot, and I'll keep it unchanged. And projection mapping, color, moody MOODY, moody color. And Miami metro, I would reduce this one, I'd like to reduce this one, so I would like to delete this one. Hard lighting, I'll provide here like a soft lighting, ultra realistic, highly detailed. So golden hour, I will provide here night or cozy light, so COZY, cozy light, close shoot, 100mm projection mapping, ultra realistic, highly detailed, natural lighting. So you can provide here the studio lighting. So let's try this one, studio lighting. And ocean environment, I'll provide here urban environment, urban environment. And Unity engine 8K. And after adding that, I'll provide here the style raw, this one, because of I want to get the raw type photo which is really near to the real photography, and press the enter button. So it will take time and it will provide you the output. So it is generating our output. So in the meantime, here I didn't give here anything detail, I just given here the tattoo in a body of a girl. this one and this one, amazing, and this one amazing because of they got the window light just coming from the right side, and the bokeh detail in a background. And this one is the outdoor type, this one is the studio type, and this one indoor, but studio light or window light is coming from the right side, which is really amazing. And if you want to make any sort of version over there, this one is the number 2, you can just give here the like version 2. So and this one is version 3, you can make the version 2 or 3. And this one, I believe that this one is amazing, and this one is like close type magazine portrait, and I'll make version this and this. So you can make version over there. So you can press like 2 and 4, 2 and giving the 4. So already they took 2 jobs, that's why that are in a queue, that's why it will take a little bit of time. After loading that, we'll be back. So they provided me these 4 options, 1 2 3 4. This one they just spoiled, this one is amazing, but here's some extra hand which is annoying, and I believe that this is the perfect one. And this one, let's see the another one. This version is better than the previous because of here this photo is amazing, and this photo they given me best thing, this and this photo, number 2 and number 4. I just facing here some hand issue which is not acceptable. And what we given over there, the fashion photography amazing and happy light, cozy light and everything. So they given me these and these. So this cozy light is actually the amazing output, and this one I do love, this one and this one. So if you want to create this sort of photography in your studio or in your home, you need a setup which is very expensive, and which is really, you have to have the knowledge about the photography in an advanced level, and you can create this one. You need extra light setup and everything, and high quality device lens, and those are expensive. But with writing something, and they are providing you the output which is really amazing, and that is a cost saving initiative, and it will help you out to make more amazing photography by using the AI. So this sort of photograph is easy, but lighting and the sharpness and color tone, some of the fans don't know how to edit the photo and how to give the tone, moody tone like that, or like these, or you need the studio setup, and you need the light or like a place over there. And this one is as well just indicating you the expensive lenses and cameras, and that's why I just told you at first, sell your camera. So let's wait for these 2 results. I'll be back after providing the output. In this version we are getting here 1 2 3 and 4. Those are really amazing. If you want to get this type of photo, you have to use the AI, or you have to go to this beach and you have to invest your time, money and camera, and you have to learn more about photography, and then you will get this one. And you need also the huge updated light setup, and this one, that's are amazing actually. And moreover, you have to pay the model, like that is huge actually. Let me know your thought. Do comment in my video comment section which one will be the next lead, the camera photography or the AI photography. So what you decided, you'll sell your camera or not? Please do comment in my video comment section. Until the next video, I'm taking leave today, and bye bye.